wonderful people, I bring you greetings. I'm discussing on the recent video I made talking about Ebuka Obi's moving to Ngobala, and where the people of Ngobala brought a complaint to me that they need compensation over their land that was taken by the ministry, by Zion ministry. So after I made that video where I appreciated and commended Ebuka Obi, I thank all of you who have been following me and been sharing my video, who commented thanking us for that video. Some called us privately, said thank you for seeing good thing, I'm appreciating it. One of them, I remember when he said, but I told her, the day I will also say what is not fair or nice, do what to also call me. Because what I will not do is to run anybody down. And what I will not also watch is for someone to be cheated upon, and it comes to my knowledge, I will keep quiet. The person who was like, we are all brothers, then if such a message comes, I should go to him privately. I laughed. See, I try as much as I can in this life to be fair. Whatever that I will be done to another, I do to another person, if it's done to me, how will I feel? That is what some people don't consider. You react based on it is happening to another person, or someone you love is making a mistake. You want to defend him by insulting, attacking, dehumanizing the other person. But treat people, if it is me, how will I do this? Ndi Igbo say, so I made that video about Ebuka Obi. Ngobala reported to me, the people of Ngobala brought a report, said, we like what you're doing. Among all the people, bloggers, I would prefer you to please lend your voice in this, because you are a voice. When you make video, I believe Ebuka Obi will hear it, and then she didn't hear our voice. Showed me letters of petitions they've written to their representative, written to so many quarters, nothing is happening. So they are not asking for case, they are not asking for trouble. Simple request they are making is, please, we need something we can tell our children, something, a legacy we are going to leave behind for them, for losing the land where we normally farm to train them. Now some of them, their land has been taken away, and that some of them, it is the only place of farmland which have been taken by the ministry. So they need something in compensation to tell the people that this is our inheritance we left for this ministry, and look at what we are leaving for you people. The person even went as far as giving me illustration of Naboth, who said woe betide him for him to sell his inheritance. So nobody is trying to ask him for money from a Zion ministry. Nobody is asking for any money. That if they give them 200 million, 20 million, they will see it finish. But if there's a legacy that will be left for them, the children will always enjoy them. So when that guy said this kind of things, I know he was being very, very, very fair and reasonable. I told him, okay, since I have tried to call Ebuka Obi line, he has never picked my calls. So I have not tried calling again since that time. The day I spoke to Zion that I want to have in touch with him, he just treated it the way as if I'm someone looking for prayer or help. No. So I decided not to call any of them. I came to live so that we can share our view. I also contacted Governor Isiagu and JPAC. But unfortunately, the day of the broadcast, JPAC declined to join the live. I don't know what happened. Now, in the process of that particular broadcast, a lot of comments were saying that you are jealous of Ebuka Obi, this and that. You are just pretending when you were praising him. Yeah. I don't know why some people are so foolish to not to know how to talk. I don't know why they don't reason. They don't think before they talk. That I'm jealous of him. Somebody I just made video 5 days ago appreciating him for going home, because as a founder of Igbo Law, he has made what I want. He has done double. I was so happy. I have to appreciate him, thanking him forever coming to going home based on my dream and vision and plan and wish and request for Ndi Igbo. Let's start going home. So how can I just come back after making such video automatically to turn against him when I'm saying that let them hear these people out? Some people are saying you're jealous of him, you're this and that, you're a chameleon, you're this. So why I'm making this video to tell people that there's nothing like jealous of Ndi Igbo Obi. We are not the same. We are not on the same land. Ebuka Obi is in Nigeria doing very well as an Igbo man. I am proud of him. I support and commend him, because if I run him down, I cannot occupy the position he occupies. Even neither will he occupy my own position. I am a spiritual father to some people, in as much as he exists. So those people know that he exists, and they chose me to be their spiritual father. So even if he remove me from my life, he can never be spiritual father with those people. Likewise himself, if I remove him, I can never be the spiritual father to those people that are following him. So there's no need of jealousy for what? For what? For what level? Why would I jealous him? I've never even jealous the people that we are baby ordained the same time. In about 10 miles, take exit 39B toward Napa. Or people that we are working with in the same company where I work. I've not been jealous of them for their numerous achievements. I only compliment and appreciate them. In fact, it was recently I stopped using money to thank God in people's life. Now one of my colleagues that I know that some people gave him a car, new car, those kind of stuff. I said, they take this money for that car. My own should come to me. But recently I know it is not work, doesn't work that way. God's favor comes, not by you. So him money, but give him money. You want to give money, just give money. You want to give money, not because you are spending something in return. So I don't see why I should be jealous of someone. We are not in the same land. We were not born the same day. Ebuka Obi is my junior brother. Ebuka Obi is on his own leg completely. That was jealous for what? So when you people talk, please reason. Although I know it's normal. I've been in social media for more than 3, 4, 5 years now. So I know it's normal. But I'm only talking to those people I thought maybe should be reasonable. Those think within your heart. Somebody trusted me. Say, please, make this in public. Let them hear us. We need their help. It's because that I'm jealous. So I say, don't come to social media. They have written privately. They have done their meeting entirely. It's not working. They feel that I am a voice. They should hear from me. They want somebody come request. I have to help out. And it turns out that I'm jealous of him. Well, I don't want to say certain things. The truth of the matter, if there are negative things to talk about Ebuka Obi that I have not spoken to about, that shows that I'm really matured, because there are many mistakes I have noticed. Some of them I have spoken to people privately about it. I don't want to come public. I know some reverend fathers who have made couple of videos addressing certain negativity, mistakes he's making, because everybody is bound to make a mistake, including myself. In fact, my second name is mistake, but I always accept my mistake, correct them, and move on. That's one thing about me. I accept my mistake, I correct them, and I move on. So I don't know if anybody will just feel that when someone makes a mistake, they want to correct the person in love, and there's some fools that are following him. You guys are fools, yes. Those are fools that talk rubbish. You are a fool. You just come and be talking rubbish, insulting somebody that is saying, by Ebuka, this is wrong. Remember, don't do it this way. Nobody insulted him. Nobody just said, please, Ebuka, please, don't do this, and because of social time. I just come and begin to insult the person talking rubbish. Are you not a fool? why I say he's a fool? You are respecting Ndi Igbo because he's a man of God. Then am I a man of devil? And you will not respect me? Huh? Are you not a fool? You don't recognize the God in me. He said, if there is no God, he who says there is no God is a fool. So when you don't recognize me and begin to insult me, but you cannot insult him because he's a man of God, you also don't recognize the God in me. You're not a fool. So please, let's be very, very careful the way we drop comments. You can see these days now people are going to prison because of comment. Ordinary a statement somebody made in TikTok, and maybe he shall be making such a statement. It was Nigerian government took it as serious. But the same comment had been made against the Igbos from different quarters. And one stupid pastor sometime came out before election that all Igbo will be removed from Lagos. They must go home. Nobody arrested him. Nobody even talked about it. They didn't see it. The video went viral. Pastor Celestial Church, Pastor that or whatever he called himself, say that he's not a bastard. Anybody who if he posts Igbo, he's a bastard. He's not a bastard to go and vote Igbo. He must vote his brother. Nope, that one is not a hate speech. They didn't see it. That's another. Oluoma did his own. They didn't see it. So what I'm saying is some of you who make this drop comment, be careful before you be arrested to come and answer for that comment. If you say someone is a fool, you have to come and prove it. I know, so you tell me that defamation of character is to ask for money to pay fine, to pay damages. But that is exactly what Ijele did. Where is he today? Is he paying damages or is he in custody? Your problem is you don't learn. But when it happened, you start making video. Man of God, why are you arresting somebody? I think this is an era of arrest. I may join it very soon. No, I may join it because the way you guys talk is getting too much. It's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. If my arrest go correct or not for this rubbish thing, I go arrest to get you people corrected. Oh, I just make a drop this thing as a warning. Those of you talking, making comment, rubbish comment. This is the essence of this video. Please, let's watch what to comment. Your name is there, whether even if it is a fake account. Okay, if it's a fake account, okay, you are free. But if we're able to trace you through that fake account, my brother, my sister, you're gone. Don't let us to spend our energy in trying to track you wherever you are. As you see us now, we have followers all over the world. So wherever you're commenting from, there must be a follower that know what we're doing and that loved us. And we have engineers who can go into some extra mile to decode some certain things. That your fake account, if they decode and know that you're the one, know the phone that is using it. Let's be careful. We are in a digital era. Your comment can put you to jail. That is the essence of making this video. Your comment can put you to jail. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. I'm starting it as a warning now. Nobody will say I didn't say it. This video will be, I just saved this video here. Let's be careful. Thank you. I remain Jovika. Make I drive the go where they go.